Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a very good t-shirt design on Canva mobile app. It's actually for free. So if you want to create a website, you want to create your account on Canva, the link is in my description below. You can click on it and register. So right here, the last video I posted, I showed you how you can create with Spark Post, and that was actually awesome. It was totally free and it was actually very easy to do. If you want to check the video up, then you can click on description. It's actually up there. You can click on it, or at the end of the video it's going to be showing, then you can click on it. So right now, let's go to the video. Let's go to the tutorial right now. So now we're going to click on these all categories, then you're going to move down. You're going to see t-shirt right here. So I'm clicking on t-shirt. Now Christmas t-shirt is actually trending right now, so I'm going to be choosing that Christmas t-shirt. You can choose anyone, or you can see all, or you can choose anyone you want. So for this video we're going to be choosing Christmas t-shirt. So right here you can see which one do you want to choose. You can create your own by choosing this blank one, or we're going to be doing the two. So I'm going to choose one right here. I'm going to choose the one I want. Like maybe I want this one. Then we're going to edit this one. This one is actually, maybe you want to press this part, like that plus sign at that here. So I'm going to press this text. Maybe then you're going to add some text on of your own. So I'm going to pull this right down right here. So I'm going to write Happy Christmas. Click on it like that. So I'm going to write Happy Christmas. So right there. So maybe it's okay when I change this to red instead of, I think I like the font, so I'm going to change this to red. So actually there, so I'm going to move it right here. So it's actually good. If you want to change the font, you can change right here, you see, but I like this font. So you can change the spacing, you can change how you can do everything. So if you want to add anything, you can do it right here. If you want to duplicate this, you can press the top right here. So I'm going to delete all these ones. So that's actually, so you want to add image, you can click this one, or video, but actually you don't need video, you only add image right here. So all these ones are actually good. So we're actually done right here. So actually simple. So then you press this one to download it. Press that arrow pointing down to download it. So it's actually preparing your design. So normally if you're new on it, it's not going to show like that. It's actually, you're going to press this one, the other one, so it's going to be showing you this see with transparency. So you're going to pay if you want to click, if you want to, if you want, if you don't want the background to be showing, what if you want it to just paste on your clothes without showing any background, then you're gonna pay maybe in naira is just 290 naira, 2,900. So it's actually not expensive. You can get that one. So, or you can just save as image actually. So that one is actually free. Just save it and they're gonna, so everything is actually done. So let's move to the other aspect where you're going to start from scratch. So right here, I'm not going to be choosing any template. I'm not going to be choosing any template. I'm just going to go down to my t-shirt, CO, then blank. So right here, I'm not choosing any template. Maybe you want to write Happy Boxing Day, or maybe Boxing Day. Let's actually choose that Boxing Day. So we're gonna press this one, right? This one. So I'm gonna write crazy. So I'm gonna tap in. Then we write happy boxing. No, I'm gonna actually write happy. Then I click it like that. Change the font. And maybe this. Let's see. So I move it right up here. Then increase the size. Actually, that's okay. So what can we do with that? I'm gonna leave it the color like that. So actually, we're gonna add text again, boxing. So I'm gonna click the inside of the box. Then I'm gonna delete the Christmas. Happy boxing. So I'm actually gonna press the boxing. So I'm gonna change the font into something big. I want it somehow big. I think this one is okay. Then I'm gonna increase it like this. You can change the text right here. See? So I'm gonna put it right there. So it's actually like the normal stuff. So I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna put it to red. Maybe. So you wanna write the date part. So I'm gonna click this, then change it to day. Then we edit I change the font to this like that. So change to black. Yeah. So actually I can change the size right here. You see that 60 part? I'm gonna click it. Then it's gonna go like this. Then I'm gonna move it like this. Move the day part to the side. Then actually I can roll this like this if I want, and shift it like this. Then all this kind of stuff. Then I move it like this. No, so that's actually nice stuff. So maybe if you want to add the text, then I can do it like this. Then move the all these things. I can just write inside, you understand? But I don't actually need this, so I'm going to delete this. So right here I'm starting from scratch. Actually, you see, so I can just press this to save it. Maybe you can change it to black, total black, or you can change it to white, you understand? Well, I think I prefer the white part. I prefer the white one, so I'm going to save it like that. So it's actually saved. It's actually saved. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is actually how you can make this on your phone, design on your phone. So if you want to create an account on Canva, click on my link in the description below. That is going to take you right to that place. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification button to get more of my videos on how to do many things. Thank you.